Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Sydney just woke up from a nap and is currently just, you know, redecorating for me. Are you redecorating the house? She's very sweet. Very sweet. Anyway, so I am gonna make Sydney some lunch. She's just gonna have some turkey, avocado, and probably like tomatoes and maybe some cottage cheese. I think I want to make minestrone soup. So I think I need to go to the grocery store and get some ingredients for that. And then my friend is coming over in probably like an hour. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you doing jumping jacks? So she just had lunch. She had a very rough morning, so I'm very happy that she is happy right now. She's going through this phase where if I don't understand what she's saying, she gets so upset. So yeah, rough morning, but glad we're doing good now. Come here. This is my morning so far. She's having a wicked hard time with saying words when she's emotional. Well, my thing is reflecting on me. She'll like start scream crying a word and I'm trying to understand what she's saying and then she gets even more upset. X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? I love you. I'm sorry you're upset. Watch Moana. Sorry you're upset, sweet girl. Can't understand you when you're trying to talk and you cry. Okay? I can understand you when you calm down like this. Right. Why are you crying, honey? Tell Mama why you're crying. Why are you upset? She always makes me bring things upstairs with her to change her diaper. Okay. Okay, do you want to just... How about we pick a stuffed animal, honey?
Okay, Mama.
But Mama can't carry that all.
Okay.
Sydney, we're going to go upstairs to change your diaper. Mama can't bring all this food. Honey. She's doing pretty good at stacking it though. Oh my. But I can't bring all of this upstairs, sweetie. Okay, stop right there, okay? Mama's gonna put it in your shopping basket. Okay, I'll bring the shopping basket upstairs. We're just changing your diaper, honey. Come on. Yep, you walk up the stairs and I'll carry this. Okay.
Okay.
This is what she wants to bring with her to change her diaper. Okay, let's go. Crazy child. All right, this is the situation that is the changing table. Broccoli, tomato, pineapple, corn, chicken. And now we're done. She barely fits on this changing table anymore, but we're gonna be potty training soon, so. Potty training soon, so this comes off anyway, or it can come off, and be just like a normal kind of. Thank you. That's an onion.
Tiny eye.
Thank you, baby. She likes to help me unpack the groceries. So we're just getting back from Hannaford, and I grabbed some stuff to make minestrone soup, and I grabbed just chicken to have, put it in the freezer, a rotisserie chicken, and then a few pouches for Sydney for her snacks. So I didn't get too many things. I just really have been craving minestrone soup, so I'm so excited. What do you have? Oh, careful. What are those?
Canned.
Canned beans. Good job. What else we got? Thank you for helping Mommy. What is that?
Corn.
Corn. Thank you. What else we got? Anything else in there? Oh, you did it. Good job, sweetie. Let's take your shoes and your coat off. Someone's like screaming for a snack, and it's not even snack time. And she had these while we were at Hannaford. You want a granola bar? Can you say granola bar? Granola. Granola bar. I'm sorry to butcher you. Ugh, I can't open them. Gotta use my muscles. Oh. Oh. Okay, you just want to hold the granola bar? That's fine. Oh, I got you, girl. I got you, girl. Oh, goodness. All right, now I shall start chopping some vegetables. Over the onion. Wow. Okay, so I've got my vegetables cut. We have onion, celery, carrot, zucchini, and those are going to be my vegetables. And I'm going to throw in some Italian seasoning as well. This is everything that I need basically. Basil, rosemary, thyme, what else? Oregano, sage. I'll just pop a bunch of this in there. Where's the C? It's kind of light. C? Can you say C?
C.
A? A? Say A.
A.
A. I? Say I. What are you doing? This is like, she's not quiet ever.
Caitlin.
Does this one work?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. What does that say?
Although it's kind of run together, I usually write her our letters bigger.
Caitlin? Caitlin.
Can you sit like a big girl, please? Sydney? Thank you. Good girl. She listens. She's a good girl.
You are a good girl.
Why are your feet
Yes.
filthy? Ew.
You're a good girl. Oh, look at the little ruffles on the bum. Ruffles on the bum.
You got ruffles in your butt.
You're cute. Yes. Is Mama cute? Mama's cute, right? Say Mama's cute.
I love you. I love you. No, that's not trash. Wow. She just got into the Band-Aids and she wants to throw them away in the trash. But those aren't trash, sweetie. Those are for boo-boos. Can you put them back in the box, please? No, put them back in the box, honey. That's not trash. No, sweetie. I guess I need more baby locks for drawers. Hey, Elizabeth, we might need those Band-Aids someday soon. When you're getting into things. Hey, let Mama have the Band-Aids. Oh my gosh. Can I have the Band-Aids, please? Please? Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. See? You're a good girl. All done. Oh my goodness. Miss Crazy Independent. By the way, I put the minestrone soup on high because low was doing nothing. I mean, I should have known better. So I put it on high, and oh, if you guys had, what is it, smell-o-vision? Rachel Ray smell-o-vision? It smells so good. So what I'm gonna do in like 20-25 minutes, I'm gonna put the shells in there. That way they didn't get like super soggy and gross. But I just got small shells, and I'm gonna pop probably like a cup in there if it'll even fit. It's so full. I cannot wait to have some minestrone soup for dinner. And maybe grilled cheese for Sydney? I don't know. Thank you, sweetie.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So Little Miss is having some grilled cheese and green beans because the soup is not even close to being done. It will probably be done at 8 o'clock tonight, so in 3 more hours. I don't know why I was thinking it was going to take 2 to 3 hours. I think I saw on Pinterest a recipe that was going to be 2 to 3 hours, but I don't know. Maybe they parboiled their vegetables first. I don't know. But it's actually going to be really delicious. I ended up adding some tomato paste as well because it was a little watery, and I added some more salt for now, and we'll see how that turns out.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July. I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me.
So good. I'm so excited to sit down and eat. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
In a cabin out in